Hello guys, so in this video we will see how can we perform the data cleaning in the NLP text. So till now we have seen that I get my data frame like this in this form, in which in the column message there is given a text of there is given a text, and in the spam class in the spam we have given two classes, 1 and 0. 1 means legal message and 0 means spam message. Okay, so in this video we will see how can we clean the text. Okay, so this is our data frame. Now look, suppose to explain you, I have just picked an example, a small example. So what I have done, I have picked up the second row message. So I write df dot log to message. So what it will return, it will return the message of second row. Okay, and I stored the message in the example variable. So when I press enter, you can see this is our text message: free entry into a weekly comp to win FF Cup final. This is our message. So now I will perform data cleaning just on this message to explain you. Then we will perform the data cleaning on all of these message. Okay, so how can I clean this data? First, import the regular expression library. So import RE. Okay, so we are cleaning the data with the help of regular expression and much more things. So now look, how will I clean my this example to a proper form. So first I write, look, okay, so I will explain you what I am doing. So this is the syntax: example equals to RE. RE is our library name. Dot sub is the function. What this function will do, I am passing the regular expression that I need the letters between A to Z, capital A to Z, and between 1 to 9. And this is not means I do not want these letters. Okay, let me explain you why this. I am saying, if I found a letter which is not between A to Z, small capital A to Z, small a to Z, and 1 to 9. If I found a letter which is not the between and this, so what will I do? I will replace it with space. Okay, so suppose I found a braces. Okay, so what it will do, it will replace the braces with a space. Okay, so the sub function, what the sub function do, it will replace this string with a space. So if I do not find any letter between A to Z, capital A to Z, and 1 to 9, then replace it with the space. Okay, so now execute this and see what happened. So this is why this is our actual example, है ना? And now I have performed this. Now look, you can see here is the braces, here the and sign, okay, the ampersand sign. These all are removed. Now these all are removed. What we have done, these all are removed. Okay, so you can see in this text, you can see in this text, no braces and end sign, and only the letters between small a to z, capital A to z, and 1 to 9 is present here. Okay, now what can I do more? I can change this into lowercase. Okay, so dot lower. So look, now you can see all letters are in lowercase. Okay, and also what I can do, I can replace certain things. Okay, suppose I have an example. Suppose I have a sentence, I am doing. ठीक है, so I want to replace this single quote screen into M. So what I will do, I will say x dot replace. Okay, this is the syntax: ex dot replace. Now what I want to replace, this single quote, so here, and I want to replace it with space m. Okay, so if I will execute this, you can see if m, because this m is also present, sorry, so if I replace it by space a, then if I execute, so you can see here it is replaced by I am doing. Okay, so we can use this replace function to convert these types of strings into a normal form. Okay, so these are the only things which I want to perform on my data, so it should be in a proper format. So okay, so what I have done, I have created a function preprocess. In the preprocess, what I have do, I have passed a argument x, so x is equals to re.serve, the same thing which I have shown you, then I lowercase the letters, then I replace certain things. Okay, don't worry, I will provide this notebook after the completion of our project. So I will replace certain things like single quotes into quotes, want into will not, and this cannot and cannot, and can't into cannot. Okay, so I should put these things I should put this thing above it in the first. Okay, so first we replace this, then I checked with regular expression, then I convert into lowercase, and then I return the x. Okay, so execute this function. Now what I will do, I will say for my message column, df message, fill NA with the blank and applies this function. Okay, then apply this function. So this function will be apply on every message. Okay, so execute this. Okay, so now if I see the same example which I have seen here, then the data will be cleaned. Look, now you can see the difference. Here is the single quotes and this sign. You can see these all things are removed here. So that's how we have cleaned our data. So now in the each text we have the only letters between small a to z, capital A to z, and 1 to 9. Also the whole text is in the lowercase form. Also we have replaced certain things. Okay, so that's how we cleaned our data. So this is it in this video. We will see more data analysis in the upcoming videos.